up, everybody? So today I will be filming my unboxing of my limited edition Nommi chocolate puppy 400%. We got this from Wookie.com. Very reliable. They ship the item really fast and they are very responsive to inquiries. So if you are into collectibles like plush toys, Labubu, Zingumu, Nommi, Baby 3, whatever that is, Molly, Skull Panda, everything, you can find it there at Wookie.com. So without further ado, here's our box, and of course, let's open it. Guys, kasi it's all the way from China to Thailand, so medyo na, but I can feel may bubble wrap naman sa loob. Tada! O, diba bongga tayo sa protection guaranteed. Oh my gosh! It really is here! O, diba may invoice pa. There we go. It's the email trail nung nag-order. Huwag na natin ipakita yung email natin. This is Nommi chocolate puppy. Labas na natin siya. Hello! Very cute here. Yes! OMG! It is so cute here. Hey! Hello! Hi, my dear! How have you been? Hi! Labas pa natin siya. Wait. This is 400% Nommi Guardian, and this is 400% Nommi Somniloquy. The Goodnight Bear edition, and now they have their another sibling, the limited edition Nommi chocolate puppy. Okay, mga anak, may anak, mga kapatid, let's unbox na our Nommi. We'll unbox our Nommi chocolate puppy. OMG. My dear, sinakal ka ata. But yes, as you can see, na-roll din po yung eyes niya. Ay, very smooth yung roll ng eyes. Mas gusto ko yung brown, mas in-themed. It's so cute. Wait. Let's let her go. Naka-secure kasi siya, nakatali here. See? Here is our Nommi girl. Oh, diba? So cutesy. So she is actually smaller than all the other Nommi 400%. This is the Goodnight Bear. She's a bit smaller, but look at her. So pretty. They're all pretty, but I like dogs, so. Of course, the Nommi has like interchangeable eyes. Or this, so innocent. Puppy, chocolate puppy. And then the cap, it's actually removable. It is attached by a ribbon. You can actually remove it if you want, but I want it to stay on. There we go. Chocolate puppy Nommi.